my base. Look at my face. Porcelain, period. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra, but you can go ahead and call your girl T. Here on my channel, you'll find hair and makeup tutorials, DIY projects, baby vlogs, and meal prepping ideas. If you like all these things and more, please take the time to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that bell notification down below. This is like my everyday, like, chill girl, going to the movies, chilling out. Y'all, we are quarantined and chilling. I decided to bust out this look for you guys really quick, try out this like foundation based life hack, and yeah, let's go ahead and get ready. I'm really getting ready to do a story time video, which at this point you guys should have already been seeing right now, so go ahead and put that up above. Yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this look. And what about it? Like, that's how I'm feeling right now. Making sure I'm in focus, okay? I really have allergies. I don't have the virus. At least I don't think I do, I don't know. But I do have allergies every time at this time of the year, so this is literally where we are. So the first thing I'm gonna do is this head. It's looking crazy. I've had this scarf on for a bit of time now. So I'm gonna take off my scarf. Please do not judge, because my hair is looking cray cray. I just did this ponytail the other day for my hair, and I just washed it like 2 days ago, and then I put gel in it, and it already is like, this gel that I used the first time was like making my hair white. So what I'm doing right now is just using a spray bottle to just re-wet this head, because I wanted to get as flat as possible. I think as I talk, my voice will get better. It's just, I haven't been talking because who am I gonna talk to? That's wet enough, I think. I want to use my Denman brush to kind of just start to smooth this out and get this on flat. My hair is actually growing really well. I had some major heat damage and like a huge setback in my hair, and I was really devastated about it. That's why I've been wearing a lot of wigs. I flattened my hair one time and destroyed it, so there's that. They're pretty wet. Now I'm gonna go in with this Main Choice gel, and this is their biotin infused styling gel. Now I honestly don't know how well this holds, so we gonna find out. I usually use Eco Styler gel, but I'm really trying to not put anything bad in my hair, and I been hearing bad things about the Eco Style gel, so trying to use alternatives. We'll see how it does. Alright, so now I'm gonna start to just like slick this up. Even come through this back area one time for the one time. This is okay. This is definitely like not up to Eco Style. My Eco Style gel just really be holding it down for me, so this is a little stressful, but I'm gonna keep trying. Put a little bit more on there and just really slick this up and up. Okay, now what I do is I take my scarf and I put it on now like this, really quick. Especially the back, because that kitchen, y'all, we need to make sure it stays down, okay? And then I pull it up a little bit like that, so you can see some of my hairs. And now we're gonna get to work on these baby hairs, okay? I personally just don't be needing a ton of baby hairs. It's cause like I'm not that good at doing them. I don't know why I'm not that good at doing them. I'm just not. This is all we working with, guys. I really can't do anymore. I really hate doing baby hairs. It like irritates my being, okay? So now that I've taken 10 billion years to do that, I take off my scarf really quick. And it's starting to lay down pretty good. I'm going to take some Gots to Be Glued spray and just and then I go back and lay this back down over this. Leave my ponytail out as much as I can. That's done, my actual hair, so that should be good to go by the time I am done doing everything else. Moving forward, I'm going to go to another hot mess, and that is these here. So these are literally 2 ponytails that I think I've worn maybe once or twice, and they've been in a drawer ever since. They were just extra bundles that I had from like a wig that I made a while ago. So what I'm going to do is like promptly comb through these and spray it out with water just to get the curls together and get this from not looking like this anymore. I really think that I'm only going to use one. So I folded this a couple times on the ponytail like this. And I'm going to start by inserting this into my head. That is good enough. I really could add another bundle for sure, but I'm not going to because I'm not leaving the house. It's just like a cute little do. Also, if I wanted this to be like secure and last for like a week, I would do it a different way with like braiding your actual hair and then wrapping all the way up your hair so that it has like different length and it just looks good and it's secure and it lasts. But we not doing that today, okay? I'm taking this off right after I'm done with this video, so it's just... Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and then I'm gonna come back and do the rest of my makeup. I did go ahead off camera and I did my brows. I also added more hair than other bundle because it was just looking too flat for me. And I am doing that TikTok hack that everyone's been doing. I need to see if it's going to produce the flawless finish that everyone keeps speaking on. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. You start off first by doing your moisturizer. I'm using this Revitalift from L'Oreal. I always use it. I have a day and a night one. It's definitely a part of my skincare routine, and it is a little bit thicker. I don't know if it makes a difference what type. Next thing is to add a light coat of translucent powder. I'm using the NYX translucent powder. And I'm heavy-handed, so I'm gonna try my best to be light. I did put a little extra more in my T-zone area and around here because that's where I always crease, so fingers crossed. Next thing I'm doing is using my primer. I always use the All Nighter Setting Spray from Urban Decay. I think it's just the GOAT for life. So I'm gonna go ahead and The major key to this, I heard, is that you have to let this dry fully. Okay, I'm feeling pretty dry, so now I'm gonna go in with my primer, and I'm using my Fenty primer, and this is the just the regular instant retouch primer, not like the hydrating one. Face is definitely feeling different, like more stiff. I'm going with the Lancome foundation, the Ultra Wear. Just gonna pump it onto my brush. We'll start here first. I just feel like this feels really good on my skin. Like, wow. I'm actually quite impressed. I'm like, let me find out I've been doing my makeup wrong this whole entire time. Like, good. Like, it looks good. The girls are impressed. Like, so now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place foundation stick, and this is in the color I will post. And I'm gonna put this on first, and then I'm going to put my LA Girl Pro Concealer on top. Just because I feel like I need to go like one more shade up in this to get like that highlighter look that I'm looking for. Gonna blend this out now. Alright, I'm gonna set my face. I'm actually taking a little fluffy brush too, just to get really underneath my eye. For bronzer, I'm going to use a mix between the Cocoa Naughty by Fenty bronzer and then the Fit Me just loose finishing powder. Just using a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend that all out. Going in with Yara from the Saharian Blush 2 palette from Juvia's Place. It's like this browny color. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of powder and just clean up. Going in with one of my favorite highlighter palettes from Jaclyn Hill, the Holiday Collection. Taking a Morphe 510 brush, and I'm gonna go in with Glow Up. It's the brightest, lightest color in this bunch right here. And I'm just gonna glow up, okay? I know everyone's like anti-highlighter right now in this like makeup world, but like I still like to look glowy AF. Like, glow me up some more, period. Okay, since I'm doing just like my everyday quick baddie look, I'm going in with my favorite palette. This is like, other than the Jaclyn Hill like volume 1 palette, this is probably my next in line favorite. And I'm gonna use this as like my outer shade color. In the same exact brush, I'm gonna go with Cypress Ember. I'm just going to put this more on the outer corner area and into my crease. Now I'm going to take the brush that actually comes with this set. It's just the Anastasia like double-ended brush. And I'm going to go back in with that dark brown. And I'm just going to like do this little twisty motion just to add some intensity right to the outer corner. Go back in and try not to touch that area, but just blend it out. I'm going to use the Hourglass liquid liner. I really have like 2 different eyeliner shapes, but I'm gonna let them be. Mascara, as always, Urban Decay Perversion. For inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go in with that Jaclyn Hill again and just put that same color on the inner corner. For my lips, I'm going in with the BFF4 from ColourPop. With my favorite color from the NYX Buttergloss Praline. Oh, my favorite. Like, bomb. And I honestly don't know the names of these. It was just like given to me and one of like when I bought a wig. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I think it came out so cute. My hair is done. My hair is laid down enough. It's kind of still wet, but we're gonna go with it. I don't know, this beat is beat. Like my base, my face, I feel really beat. I do feel like stiff, like, but I think I'm going to implement this into my routine moving forward, because by now it's been like an hour and a half. I usually have like crazy smile lines, and I still have one right here, but I don't have one over here at all. And my smile lines are like really, really, really bad. Like, it's the thing I complain about the most. So I'm really here for this. Like, the girls push through. Like, shout out to my mans for telling me about this. I'll put the link in the description box and up above for you guys so you can check out the original video where I learned it from. I seen it on TikTok, but they referred back to this video. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for your girl. Help your girl out. We trying to get like 20 comments. Can we get like 20 comments, please? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.